attacked.
Yeah, why are you shooting the dog?
You don't fucking kill animals. You want to lock yourself and kill animals.
Nobody shot the dog. He shot the dog. I didn't shot everybody. That's a dog. Why? Why you shot the dog?
No, they can check on him.
The dog attacked the cop. The cop shot him. The dog. The guy had a seizure. He don't even know that his dog is dead.
Alright guys, again, be advised, 7 is confined to the 1960 closing the front mobilization of one shots fired.
Guys, go! Back up! Let's go! Let's go! To the corner.
You looks finders.
There you go.
My sister's gonna get
All right, please, clear the corner. That's good enough. All right, here we go. Guys, let's go. Let's go. What are you waiting for? Let's go.
Oh, why are you getting all like that?
Let's go.
Want
Want to go to jail? No, you have to go this way.
Lock me up for what? They give them a gun and a badge and they think they...
¡Abusador! ¡Abusa con los animales! ¡Maltrato animales!
Nah, but the dog went to attack the cop.
Hacia la madre que te parió, hijo de puta, abusador, cabrón. Mata a la madre que te parió, hijo de puta.
What happened exactly?
¿Por qué no mata a tu madre, cabrón?
The guy had a seizure, and you see the dog? The dog was watching over the guy. That's the dog. So the lady got next to the dog, and he attacked the lady, and then the cop came. He went to attack the cop. The cop shot him. Yeah, shot the dog.
So you know, it was probably because the dog was vicious, attacking the lady. You know what I mean? I
No,
understand
the
that.
guy had a seizure.
Let's go, guys, down the block.
I understand that.
But the cop had the right. He shot the dog. The dog went to attack him. You know,
that's true.
I would do the same thing.
You had the right. You have no choice.
I got it in film anyway. I got it when he shot the dog. I got it. Yeah.
A los que están jugando.
The guy that shot him not even there. They pulled off with him. They're not gonna leave him out there.
Yeah.
I know I ain't going this way.
A la madre que te parió. No sé inglés, mano. Yo no sé inglés. Hablarle de todo inglés. Ya la hostia. Ellos mataron Espejo así porque sí.
No, because Espejo
Espejo atacó a quien fue.
sí, Espejo fue to attack the lady. And the lady got next to the body.
Espejo le tiró.
You know what happened to the guy?
The guy has a seizure.
Why they shot the dog?
The dog was next to him, but he was protecting. He was protecting the owner. That's his
Really?
owner.
Well, I'm calling the media right now, so the media's gonna. So when there's protesters protesting the cops,
Yeah, he's protecting his owner. He sees them getting near the owner. The owner had a seizure, so he went to attack the lady. The cop took out the gun, and when the cop saw him take the gun out, he attacked the cop. He went to attack the cop. The cop just blasted him in the head. Well, I mean, if I was a cop, I'd do the same shit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to say, you were the cop, you had a gun, and the dog is gonna attack you.
he wasn't attacking. He wasn't
No,
gonna attack.
he went to attack the.
Yeah, but it's a dog. They don't know any better.
But he protected his owner. He don't know the difference.
It's an animal. They don't know better.
Yeah, but
But that's a fucked up cop right there. That one. Right
They
there.
could have
the one
handled it
that's-
differently than that. It's an animal.
I got it already. So,
You videotaped it?
yeah. I've been recording for 8 minutes.
Because I'm getting the media right now for it.
Are you gonna YouTube that, bro?
I don't know. Maybe I gotta see what I got because when he went to attack the lady, I went like this, and now when I don't know if I got when he shot the dog or not. You know?
But he bit the lady, right?
What?
The dog bit the lady.
Yeah, he went and he bit her pants. He didn't bite her.
But see, that's the whole thing. Even if he bit her,
Yeah.
still, you know, the guy was protecting the lady. You know.
Yeah.
You know what? It's a hard call because you don't have time to think about making a
No,
decision.
I mean,
you have to make
you
a decision
protected the
right
lady
away.
and you
Yeah,
protected
I
the
got it when the cop shot him. I got the cop when the cop shot the
You got a picture of the cop?
one that shot. Yeah, I got it.
YouTube that.
Yeah, what?
It'll be all of you.
Call it shot
Yeah, I got it.
14.
Let me stop.